Hey everybody, Caleb here with Steve Meyer's Service today to go over the Stihl FS56RCE. Now this is the loop handle version, which means that it's denoted by the R. They also make a bike handle version that has all the same layout, except it just has the big wide bike handles, if that's the type of trimmer that you like to use. Alright, so let's start taking a look. Much like the FS40 and the FS50, the 56 has a lot of the same comfort features, which means we have the automatic choke, so when you hit the trigger, that automatically takes the choke off for you. Then as we go to the back, you have your easy recoil rope, which means that you don't have to pull very hard. Just a nice, smooth, steady pull. That's going to kick the engine over and fire it up for you. And then also has the kill switch here, or what I like to call the always on. It means the unit is always on and ready to start, and then you just hit O to shut it off. We have your strap here, comes standard with a strap, and then down at the end we have the Stihl AutoCut C26-2 easy spool string head. This makes for a really nice and easy to restring string head, and if you have any questions on how to restring it, you can check out the video on our YouTube page that shows you the step-by-step process on how to properly restring that. So let's go over the starting procedure here real quick. In order to start it, you're going to push the choke in like so, and then all the way up to the full choke position. You're going to come to the back, you're going to prime it 3 to 5 times. And here with your recoil, again, you have the easy recoil, so just a nice smooth steady pull. That's going to fire up the trimmer, and then once it starts, you can go ahead and hit your throttle. That's going to take your choke off for you automatically. When you're ready to advance the string out at full throttle, go ahead and hit that head on the ground. That's going to advance more string out. And then when you're ready to shut the unit down, just go ahead and hit the O for off. Alright everybody, that's the Stihl FS56RCE. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.